Hello, today I'll show you how to use our encryption app through Mozilla Thunderbird by installing a plugin. So to do that, first of all, you need to head to our website, so www.cypherdog, and click on Download CEE. Once you're there, you scroll down to the bottom and you'll see all the plugin extensions here. Today we're using Thunderbird, so let's click on that. And then we need to click on Download Now. So click that and wait for it to download. Should only take a second, so let it just download. Okay, so once you've done that, head to Thunderbird. Now we need to go to our settings. So click on the gear toggle at the bottom left hand corner. Click on add-ons and themes at the bottom. So go ahead and click on that. Click on the gear toggle again and click on install add-on from file. Here we go. Now you need to locate the file that you've just downloaded. So locate the file. And there we go, just double click on it. And then you'll see this box pop up. So you want to click add here. So click add, click OK. So that's the first part done. Next, what we want to do is click on there and click manage and just make sure that everything is set up the way you like with how to allow automatic updates. And also if you head to your permissions, you'll see everything that has permission for here. So just make sure you're all happy and that's satisfactory for you. So after you've done that, come out of this page. Now we need to locate our personal CA. So we need to allow keychain access. So head to your keychain access. Now click on System. And we need to locate something called Personal CA. This is our certificates. So head to this one here, right click, and click Export Personal CA. So go ahead and export that. Now click Save, and click Replace. Okay, now we can come out of there, head back to Thunderbird. Head to our settings again, with the toggle on the left-hand side. Now we need to go into Privacy and Security, and we need to scroll down and locate certificates, which should be at the bottom. Once you've done that, we need to click on Manage Certificates. So click Manage Certificates, and now we need to locate and import the personal CA file. So click on that, and there we go. Now we need to click on Trust this CA to identify websites and Trust this CA to identify email users. So both those boxes we need to tick and click OK. And that's all set up. So click OK again. Okay, so now we can go ahead and send an email and encrypt a message. So let's click on Write. Enter in the email address that you'd like to send the email to. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on the subject, enter the subject title in. So we'll just go ahead and put Thunderbird test today. Here we go. Now enter in the message. So let's encrypt some text. So let's go ahead and highlight that whole text, right click, head down to Cypherdog email encryption and click on encrypt message. So click on that, click on yes here. You only need to click yes one time. It's just to get authorization. And there we go. That message has now been encrypted. So go ahead and send. So that's sending now. Okay, so to decrypt the message, head to our inbox. This is the email that's been sent to us with the encrypted message. And we can just click on Cypherdog Show Encrypted Message, and the message will be decrypted here. And there we go. And that's how you set up and install the plugin for Thunderbird.